Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Market Today with Nikhil. So today we will be analyzing how the movement of Nifty was. So if you see again through the metrics that we have been tracking daily, these are the levels that Nifty has been respecting each day. This is the 14 EMA, and if you see the Nifty has respected this 14 EMA once again and have just bounced back, and then this is 24 to 50 line. So this has been tested much more than what you have expected, like 5 to 6 times this has been tested. We have discussed this in our last video as well. So if you see, this was tested here, then here, it was becoming a support, then resistance once again, then resistance, and then again a resistance. But if you see, 14 EMA is always a support for the Nifty in the past few days. So this has been a bounce back. So tomorrow, since the expiry has been now been concluded for weekly, we can expect a movement either on the upside or on the downside. But let's look out on the other metrics on how the things are. So if you see, this was the OI chart, but this OI chart will not be relevant for us today, beyond today, because we have now the monthly expiry. So this is the monthly expiry data showing. So we have a huge call OI option data. All OI has been made at 25,000, and then immediate support has been on the 24,200, and then these are the levels of P put. So put has been very little showing OI, and if you see on the call side, we have a lot of OI walls. So this indicates that traders want that the market should remain within 24,000 levels within this month as well. So let's look out on how the things at FIA data has been planning out. So FIIs have been strong bearish on index option, index futures. Pro has been neutral, client has been a medium bullish and strong bullish. So always opposite. So my opinion is, now that there has been a quite a run up into the market, this has been a strong, this candle would not be forming here once again, and it would either be breaking upwards or downwards. But given the fact that market has taken a support always on 14 EMA, it would be crucial on how the market opens tomorrow. So right now I am also indecisive on how this would be, but looking at the charts, there is a limited upside on the charts. So we can either go upwards, and then there would be 24,471 as a resistance, and then if we scale down, we will be having this trend line of 40 EMA, then this could be around 24,000 would be a strong support for the market. So let's look out on how the things would be tomorrow. Not concluding on how the things usually pan out, because this would be the first day. So we have just looked out on the live chart, then we have looked out the OI data, and then the FIA data. If you look out the straddle pricing, so of course today was the market closing day, so it actually closed down on 330. This is not being visible here, but this actually usually happens in expiry, that it's closes out to 0. Alright, so this was all about the Nifty analysis for 22nd of July. So see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.